Welcome to My Math Class. I am Mohammad Ali, online maths teacher. Today we will solve one trigonometric problem from additional mathematics question paper. Now see, how can you solve this maths? This question from February-March 2020, variant 12, additional mathematics paper 1. Question number 10, solve 10 alpha plus 45 degree equals to minus 1 by root 2 for 0 degree, alpha greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. At first, we have to rearrange this interval. So 0 degree, if we add with alpha 45 degree, so we have to add 45 degree here, alpha plus 45 degree. If we add 360 degree with 45 degree, it will be 405 degrees. So our interval will be 45 degree alpha plus 45 degree less than equals to 405 degree. Now, the 10 alpha plus 45 degree equals to minus 1 by root 2. So, alpha plus 45 degree equals to minus, keep minus outside, 10 inverse 1 by root over 2. So, it will be minus 35.26 degree. Now, we will check within 45 to 405, where 10 is negative. 10 is negative in the second quadrant and also fourth quadrant. So how will get these things? Alpha plus 45 degree equals to, if we want to get the second interval value, that means we have to add with 180 degree 35.26 degree. So we will get 35 degree 180 degree minus 35.26 degrees. So it will be 144.74 degree. So this value come in the second quadrant. Another value in the fourth quadrant cos 10 negative. So alpha plus 45 degree equals to 360 degree minus 35.26 degree. So it will be 324.74 degree. So we get alpha plus 45 degree equals to 144.74 degree and also 324.74 degree. Finally, we want alpha value. So alpha equals to 144.74 degree minus 45 degree and 324.74 degree minus 45 degree. So our result will come 99.74 degree and 279.74 degree. These two results where 10 is negative. So that 1 by sine theta minus 1 minus 1 by sine theta plus 1 equals to a sec square theta. So left hand side, we may write here left hand side equals to 1 by sine theta minus 1 minus 1 by sine theta plus 1. If we do LCM, we can write here sine theta minus 1 into sine theta plus 1. So sine theta minus 1, if we divide it by sine theta minus 1, we'll get here sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta minus 1. If we remove upper side bracket, so we'll get here sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta minus 1. And below side, sine theta minus 1 into sine theta plus 1 means sine square theta minus 1. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sine square theta minus 1 equals to minus cos square theta. So instead of sine square theta minus 1, we can write here minus cos square theta. And this sine theta and that sine theta cancel. And it will be plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will be minus 2. 1 by cos square theta means sec square theta. So here A will be, therefore A will be here minus 2. So this is shown. This is shown, and here A will be minus 2. Okay. Now, when we want to do the radian mode maths, we have to convert our calculator into radian mode, and we have to adjust the angle. It is 3 theta. So if I multiply here by 3, it will be pi, 3 theta, 3 phi less than pi. So we will check where the interval is minus pi to pi. Now, the 1 by sine 3 phi minus 1 by sine 3 phi plus 1 equals to minus 8. So if we do LCM, we can write here sine 3 phi minus 1 into sine 3 phi plus 1. So sine 3 phi plus 1 minus sine 3 phi plus 1 come equals to minus 8. And below side, it's come sine square 3 phi minus 1. And upper side minus sine 3 phi and plus 3 phi cancel and 2. And by the previous maths, we found that minus 8 sine square 3 phi minus 1 means minus cos square 3 phi by 2 equals to minus 8. So we can write cos square 3 phi equals to 1 by 2 by 8 minus minus cancel, that means 1 by 4. So we can write cos 3 phi equals to plus minus 1 by 2. So now we will write cos 3 phi equals to plus half, and also we will write cos 3 phi equals to minus half. Remember, our all results come in radian. So 3 phi equals to cos inverse 1 by 2. So we'll get here pi by 3. So where cos is positive, within minus pi to pi. So our interval is here minus pi to this pi. So cos is positive only first quadrant and also fourth quadrant. But fourth quadrant result we have to write in minus because the interval is in the negative. So 3 phi equals to pi by 3 when you count 0 to pi. But when you count minus pi to 0, result will be minus pi by 3. And cos 3 phi, here 3 phi equals to minus cos inverse 1 by 2, that means minus pi by 3. We will check where cos is negative. Cos is negative in the second quadrant, the sign second quadrant, house of 10, but result will come in positive symbol. And cos also negative in the third quadrant, because the interval is in the negative, here result come negative format. So 3 phi equals to pi minus pi by 3. We will get here 2 pi by 3. And again 3 phi equals to minus pi, because we count this interval in negative format, minus pi plus pi by 3 equals to, it will be minus 2 pi by 3. So our final answer 3 phi equals to pi by 3 minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 and minus 2 pi by 3. Finally, we get phi equals to pi by 9 minus pi by 9, 2 pi by 9, and also minus 2 pi by 9. I think everybody understand this maths. You just be careful about the quadrant. Remember, like cos is cos positive. Where cos positive? Cos positive in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. This result we have to count in the positive format, but this result, as the interval is represented in the negative format, this result come in the negative way. Okay. So if you have still any confusion, you can contact with me. Thank you everybody for watching.